Science Division. Welcome to Science Division 2019-20. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Anthony Gupta are here to present before you the importance of science in our lives.
A very good morning. I am Aditya Thakre from class 10th from PIS Chinchwad. Before this, you have seen the flight video of this drone. This is an hobby grade drone, different from a toy grade drone. It has more complex electronics than the toy grade drone. It can be used for commercial purposes too. It has 4000 kV brushless motors with 430 amp ASCs. The ASCs provide adequate amount of current for each motor, 4 ASCs for 4 motors. It is controlled by a 3 cell, that is 11.1 volt battery, 2200 milliamp hour. It can fly up to 20 minutes with a full charge. This is the brain of the drone, that is the flight controller. It controls individual speed of motor to make the drone fly stable. This is the transmitter of the drone, which we can control to make the drone fly forward, backward, or we can hover it at it.
My name is Sudhura and I am from 9th FPS Chinchwad. This is an electric cycle and I made it from old cycle parts. Now this works on an electric motor and a 12 volt battery. And this motor is a DC motor. And when the switch is on, the cycle goes on. And it is a good initiative for the nation because Narendra Modi is now starting electric cycles. So this may be a good initiative for them.
I have made a spider robot for science exhibition. It is operated on 8 servo motors, Bluetooth module, Android Nano. Its power supply is 5 volts 2 amps. It is controlled with a Bluetooth app. It is enabled to connect to iOS and Android, etc. Let's see the working model. This is forward motion, backward motion, left, and write. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time.
Good morning. I am Kavya from KC. I have made a projector. It needs a convex lens, a film, an electric supply, bulb, and a screw.
This is the model of human circulatory system. This is the heart which pumps the blood throughout the body. Blood comes into the number prayer into the heart. It is that means the pulmonary artery into the lungs where we get oxygen. We oxygen and blood comes into the pulmonary into the heart. This blood goes throughout the body to heart.
Good morning, I am Madhvin Kohli from PS Chinchwad
And I am Atharva Bhusri from PS Center.
We are studying in Standard 8. We have made a model of floor cleaning robot. First, I will like to explain you what is a robot. A robot is a machine that resembles a human and does daily tasks for routine on command. Floor cleaning robot is a robot which is usually used to clean floor and other surfaces. My friend will tell you about its structure.
We have used two 9-volt batteries which supply the total voltage of 18 volts. And there are three switches which are used to control the robot. We have used 3 gear motors, first, second and third, and a circuit to control the motors. And my friend will explain about the advantages.
There are many advantages of this robot. The main advantages are it saves time as cleaning manually is a very hectic process and takes a lot of time. So this robot can be looked as an alternative. This robot is inexpensive but it is one-time investment. My friend will tell you about its examples.
This idea is used by many large companies such as LG, Xiaomi and Philips. And this is one practical of it.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Vaidehi and my name is Siddhi. So today I am going to explain you about my smart street light system project. So now we also drive our car at night, so we have to see the front view clearly. So as our cars also have the lights, but the street lights are more powerful. So here is same about my project. Now I will show you that how the IR sensors work when the car moves through the sensors. So when the car is moving through the sensors, the street lights are on, as we can see. So these are the 3 IR sensors which are placed on this cardboard. So now you may ask that what are IR sensors. So IR sensors stand for infrared sensors. The infrared sensors are the electronic devices which senses the environmental movements. And so now I will tell you that the uses of making this project. So the uses of making this project is to save electricity. Now we can assume that in 1 hour only a couple of cars move through the road. So they take only 2 to 3 minutes to pass away. But in remaining 56 and 57 minutes, the lights are still on. But then if we will move the cars on the sensor system, it can save more electricity. Now the further information she will say. Now I will tell you that which are the materials we have used. This is a cardboard and these are the 3 IR sensors, and these are the straws in which we have put the wires and the LED bulbs, and the wires are further connected to this, and then it automatically close. Thank you.
Myself Pooja Vitlani, parent of Pushti Vitlani and Angad Vitlani. I am a part of Poddar family since 8 years. Each and every year we visit the exhibition during the open houses, and as per my opinion, it's the best thing the school has done to motivate the child and explore their interest, their knowledge in the field of science, various electrical, chemical, and they get exposure and their confidence also builds up. How to represent themselves in the present, it improves their confidence. And I am waiting very much eager for my daughter to come at this stage when she will present some of the science topics and all. So great work, we keep it up and continue this to the next years also.
So I look all the projects students have made. They mainly the one thing I observed that they try to implement what they learn in their classrooms. They try to implement what they learn in their academics, and try to Google it, try to implement the things which they observe in YouTube and other things. They explain them well, so it's a good to see all those projects. Thank you.
It's a great initiative taken by the school. I really feel proud that my child is studying in this school. And we visited the exhibition. Students are really studious, and now they will be aware of new technologies coming. So it's a really nice initiative by the school.
My name is Sunanda Menon, and I'm the mother of Mahika Menon, standard 8th D. And I just went around looking at your science exhibition. It's been very innovative. It's been a good thought has been put into it. Somebody making a heart, project, which was very excellent because it really showed the working of it. However, very good try, and better luck next time. Thank you.
So really nicely put together exercise. The kids are very well prepared. I'm pretty sure my kid is also going to come here next year. We'll be putting up something more. And I'm really thankful to Poddar for taking these kind of exercises. Very well. Thank you.
Work on the physical arrangement of the project, but then they know the concept very well and they are able to articulate it so properly. They are able to convince us that it is yes. They have really worked on the concept. It is not only the setup they have worked on the concepts also. Thanks for this understanding.